breadstick is so yummy with olive oil and some balsamic vinegar. And you know what? It's low calorie. It's just sourdough breadstick. So shall we start making it? Let's put about 40 grams of water and 50 grams of sourdough in the mixing bowl. Cover it with lid and mix it for 15 seconds speed 3. Now that it's mixed well, let's add olive oil, bread flour, grounded rosemary, and salt. Knead for 2 minutes 30 seconds. Transfer to a silicone mat. Form a square dough shape by folding it to the center and meeting the edges. Once you have a tight ball, place it in a warm area for 20 to 30 minutes depending on the warm space you have, and we will come back to it later on. Preheat oven at 220 C. Roll out fermented dough to form a half finger wide thick rectangle. Cut strips a finger wide. Twist gently the strip and place on a prepared lined baking paper tray. Brush them with milk and sprinkle dried oregano lightly. Now it's ready to bake at 220 C for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Wow, look at that. Transfer to a wire rack to cool it down. There we have it, our sourdough breadstick. Have it with a nice lovely crunch in your mouth.